Farsee technology is situated in Suzhou, China's top construction machinery manufacturing heartland. Is your all-in-one supplier for high-quality replacement, spare parts, and attachments. We supply durable, budget-friendly parts compatible with Caterpillar, XCMG, and all mainstream construction machinery brands. Our wide product range includes original genuine parts, aftermarket replacement components, self-developed Farsee special parts, and full sets of attachments for excavators, loaders, bulldozers, skid steer loaders, heavy-duty trucks, and other machinery. Supported by professional engineers and a complete global supply chain system with an international trade center in Shanghai. Our premium products serve global mining, road construction, infrastructure, and quarry projects. We deliver stable quality, competitive pricing, and full after-sales service to reduce your maintenance costs and boost job site efficiency. Today, Farsee is a trusted global partner, building long-term cooperation with distributors, contractors, and equipment owners all over the world. Farsee, reliable parts, trusted partner.